Hello everyone, today we're going to make a fun fruit badge inspired by your favorite fruit. So here I've got some inspiration for you: orange, watermelon, kiwi fruit, cucumber, passion fruit, lime. But you can choose any fruit that you like the look of the cross section of. These are called cross sections. So we can see inside the fruit. And when you do this, when you have a look at them, have a look at the details. See this orange? It's got an orange ring around the edge. Then there's a white ring that's a little bit thicker. And then the orange itself is divided into segments. In the center, there's a white pithy section. Sometimes you can also see the seeds inside the fruit, which makes it really interesting. Makes a lovely, interesting pattern with this kiwi fruit. The yellow on the inside, the black seeds, then there's some white seeds, then the green fleshy section. So have a look at the page for inspiration before you decide what fruit you're going to paint on your badge.